Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have something new to show you guys. So I went to this candy store, saw some pretty cool stuff. So got this scorpion. I already ate it, so I won't be doing that. But I found this kitkat bar, and I've never seen this thing before. It's Duo's two Kit Kats, mint and dark chocolate, and it says Kit Kat, and it doesn't look like this in Canada. So what my guess is, and I'm not sure if this is correct, it says, here, let me see. It's been manufactured in Vevey, Switzerland, and I'm not sure if that's correct, but I'm going to be trying this Kit Kat bar, and it's mint and dark chocolate. So open it up. It opens up like a normal Kit Kat. There it is. It smells like mint. I think I can smell it. It's big. It's bigger than a normal one size. All right. That's pretty good. Yeah, so it's got the little mint and dark chocolate and the little waffle thing inside. Yeah. Well, there you go. There's my review from Switzerland Kit Kats.